Well, the world population is still growing. By 2050, we'll have something like 10 billion people on this planet. So it means we've got to produce more food. But we've got to produce more food under climate change. In Australia, we're facing one of the worst droughts we've ever seen. Farmers in Europe, on the other side of the planet, are also dealing with drought and heat. So we really need to speed up the development of more productive crops in the face of climate change. Plant scientists and breeders all around the world are working on discovering new traits and genes for drought adaptation or heat tolerance that can be deployed in future varieties. The problem is, it just takes so long to put those traits into varieties for farmers to grow. So speed breeding can really help fast track this process and deliver more robust crops to farmers sooner rather than later. Normally this technology can be quite expensive to set up large-scale facilities. So we wanted to empower the plant scientists with a small budget. Our latest research paper between the University of Queensland and the John Innes Centre in the UK, we've reported the protocols on how to build your own speed breeding cabinet or DIY speed breeding.
We've also built a miniature desktop cabinet with bits and pieces that we got off the internet. It was very cheap, it only cost £700 or £800. And this tiny little cabinet now allows us to trial a new crop or a new cultivar of a crop and look at a new trait. And once we've optimized the parameters, we can then scale it up in the glasshouse.
We're hearing more and more from institutes around the world establishing speed breeding facilities to help speed up their plant research or breeding. And we're pretty excited that maybe one day speed breeding will really deliver some of our future varieties for our farmers.